Welcome back, YouTube. Look at the pup. It is a beautiful day. We are almost done here with the S14. That is all that is left. Clutch stuff, shifter. I still need to get the fluid in. It's on its way. The Silvia is probably going to be back on the ground today. It's been a while. Now we still have the Rallycross wheel, tire, and suspension combo on here right now. It's got the general something. Not bad. They're in good condition. The wheels are 16s, so obviously 5 lug. Takiko blue shocks with factory springs. So decent shock with a factory spring. It gives decent ride height and a good feel when we're driving out here. Anyway, I'm gonna get to putting this thing together. The last couple parts on and have it back down on the ground. I'm gonna get started with the master cylinder here. So, table's getting a little more empty. Car is getting a little closer. The master cylinder is in the process of filling it. Waiting on Jennifer, we're gonna eat dinner and then we're gonna come out and bleed this thing and then that'll be done. The line is in, the ISR auto manual line is in, that went really well as well. And here's the slave cylinder. Again, went in really easy. Here's the rest of the line. And again, it's much simpler, which is what I was going for on this car. I just want everything to be super simple and just work because I want to drive. I haven't driven in a long time and I'm definitely excited to get back to it. So yeah, that's all we got left right there, that and the trans fluid, a little bit more of that stuff, and should be back down on the ground. Another day working on the S14. Got Jen here today getting this thing finished up. We're going to bleed the clutch system. I got Jen set up over here. She's going to be pumping the pedal in there, getting on there, it's nice and comfy with the fan on. I'm set up over here, ready to go. I got the bleeder line on there, and a 10mm wrench, so that is all set. I got a little drip pan. We're going to get this clutch bled, and then I got to do the electrical, and then this thing is ready to go back down on the ground. It's been a while, it's been up here. That is right below the max. It's all hooked up here. Some light in there. Got no drips, no nothing. It's looking good. But yes, that's working nice. And we had to bleed it, I think 8 or 10 times. It's working good, no leaks. And I'll show you guys the pedal. Beautiful. No more loop. It's good, solid pedal feel. Cool. Well, I think that's about done. We got a little bit more to go, but got the fluid and the shifter. That's pretty much it. It's ready to drive again. Still waiting on that fluid. The company has not sent it out. So yeah, again, there's that line I was using, drip pan, 10mm. Got some Crestone high temperature synthetic brake fluid. Good stuff. There's the shifter, man. That's all we got left. And she'll be back down on the ground. Working on the S14 here, and look what showed up. New Cub Cadet 750, hold on, the Challenger 750 EPS. Look at this thing. LED lights. Look at this thing. Oh man, so I think it's got a 750cc engine. So it's got double wishbone suspension, coilovers. It's pretty impressive little deal. It's got a dump tray here. Pretty wild stuff. Look at this. The engine back there, but the wheels and tires. Anyway, so we're gonna go do some rips around this track. Oh, it's so cool. Ready? Oh, we're getting sideways. Don't roll it. I'm gonna roll it. Oh my god. Oh, we're getting sideways. So yeah, this thing is pretty awesome, I gotta say. Quite a bit of fun, but we're gonna take it back real quick. We will probably have some more stuff coming with this soon. Whoa! Yeah, you get the feel for it. Oh, camera's so dusty. Anyway,
so much better.
We're gonna have a lot of fun in this thing. It sounds like it's a new addition to our lineup here. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit more ripping around here, and we'll catch up with you guys when we get back to the S14 in a little bit. It's night. We ended up playing around with the new UTV for quite some time, but ended up getting the package today. So we got the gear oil. It's a MT-90. Let me unbox this stuff real quick. And there we go. Beautiful. We got 3 quarts of Redline synthetic gear oil. It is MT-90. You need GL4 for these transmissions. GL5 fluid, I've been told, and I've read, will eat up the brass synchros in the transmission. So make sure to get the GL4 fluid, and I've been told again that this MT-90 is the best for these transmissions, so that's what I got. That will be going in next, and then the shifter will be going in, and we'll be ready to go back down on the ground. I forgot I also have a couple electrical connections to hook up. The starter has a main wire and a smaller signal wire, and then there's a handful of connections that go back to the transmission, but I'll get those taken care of as well, and yeah. So I got all of the starter wiring hooked up down there. There's that wire into the starter I was talking about. It's pretty simple. That's it down here. It is ready to come down here. It goes. Yes. Oh yeah. She's on the ground. Well, once again, this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Here we go. Oh yeah. Front is down. Oh yeah, monster truck status. Beautiful. Well, it's on the ground. I'm gonna get to get this fluid and shifter and get that done. Pull it in. There we go. One bottle down. So this is it right here. I'm gonna let this drain out, and I'm gonna put the shifter in, and it's done. This is crazy. Seriously, it's been so long since I've driven this car. I am so excited. I cannot explain to you guys enough how excited I am for this. Well, I got something to go here real soon. You guys will see it if you haven't already. Sitting up on a shelf over there. It's late and I'm rambling, so I'm gonna get this out and get that shifter in, and we'll be done. So here we go. I don't usually film much working at all, but I figure this should be worth filming. And these are the last couple bolts to tighten here. And there we go. That is it. Wait. Oh, still need the shift knob. Hold on. Found it. Here we go. And it's backwards. Oh man. Well, now I'm gonna have to pull the engine and trans out. It's not gonna work. The shifter pattern's backwards. Damn it. I don't know. It's a long night. That was obviously terrible. So there we go. It's in. Hold on. Oh my. That's incredible. It just feels so much smoother and so much more precise than the stock one for sure. But even the other, I had another B&M style shifter just like this. But this just, I don't know. Oh, this is so on point. I am really happy with that. Anyway, so that's in. Look at that. That is a empty bench. There is nothing there. Just a couple days ago, this whole parts bench was just full of everything, and now it's all in here. Everything went really well bleeding the clutch earlier. Everything went really well getting the shifter in and all the fluid in there. It feels beautiful. The new clutch system is incredible without the loop in there, without the stock dampener. It feels so much better. I'm so excited to drive it again. I am very excited to get this out and show you guys some laps in the backyard, and then get this all switched over to the drift stuff and take it back out on the track for the first time in quite some time. Anyways, definitely get excited for that. It's coming soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.